The reason for the infertility is not only imbalanced diet, not only the unhygienic environment, okay, even genetic disorders, microbial infection, like this, many factors we can explain for the infertility. The infertility will be cured with test tube baby. Okay, test tube baby, we used to collect the sperm from the donor and the egg from the recipient. Why I need to do the infertility treatment? Why? Because to give the appropriate baby to the particular couple who approached us. Though we are a professional doctor, we need to give the appropriate suggestion for them. In this in vitro fertilization treatment, uh, why the importance is there? I already told to you, in the case of male erectile dysfunction or sperm count is less, or even the good quality of sperm is a good number of sperm are there, but the sperms are not viable. In the case of female, egg is produced, but egg is not normal, or else the fallopian tube is very narrow, or else the birth canal is narrow. So like there's so many defectiveness are examined, and then proper treatment will be given. So that is the reason why what we are using this type of in vitro fertilization treatment. It is a associated reproductive technology to resolve the issue. So in the zygote intrafallopian tube transfer, we are transferring the zygote to the fallopian tube, and that zygote is going for division. And many blastomeres are formed, and these blastomeres are developing as a embryo, right? That we already told in the reproduction chapter for you. So in in vitro, in vivo fertilization means what? We are giving the artificial insemination. Artificial insemination means the concerned male is having the erectile dysfunction. So we collected the sperm of the particular defective male, and we are preserving it up to the ovulation time of the particular female, and in that particular ovulation time, we are introducing the collected sperm into the particular female body. Okay, so then the effective fertilization happens. So that is the reason why what we are collecting the sperm and maintaining the sperm in a very active condition by giving the proper nutrients is very, very important. Then only what that sperm will be used for the effective fertilization, right? So now we are coming for gamete intrafallopian tube transfer. This procedure involves transferring an ovum from donor to the fallopian tube of different female who is incapable of producing ovum but can offer an favorable environment for fertilization and development, right? So here, so in the gamete intrafallopian tube transfer, here the defect we inherited here with completely with female centric. So even with the male also we can say this particular male is having the impotency, erectile dysfunction. He can't introduce the gamete properly to the female. So male probability, female probability. So why I need to do the gamete intrafallopian tube transfer? Might be the mother is a might be the male is having the problem, might be the female is having the problem. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Here the sperm is directed into the egg, but because both male and female both are having the issue, or any one of them are having the issue in terms of the gamete transfer. So in that particular couple, what I am doing is I am introducing the sperm into the egg by means of this intracytoplasmic sperm injection technique. Once the zygote is getting developed, I am introducing into the female body, right? So now we are going to the artificial insemination process. I already told you the male partner is having the poor sperm count, or the woman is not in a position to receive the sperm. In all this occasion, we are doing the artificial insemination. After collecting the sperm, preserving the sperm, making the sperm to be very active, and high quality sperm are introduced into the particular female body during the proper ovulation time period. This is a message we need to understand. Okay, here this surrogacy, for example, the particular female body is not competent enough to hold the fetus. are competent enough to hold the embryo development. So in that occasion, what we are doing is we are introducing into the a surrogate mother for developing the baby. So here the problem with the associate reproduction treatment is it is very expensive because gynecology doctors, they are using so many costliest instruments to resolve this issue. So that is the reason why it is little costlier. And now we are coming to the next important segment is nothing but the worked examples. Okay, so explain the physiological process involved in evolution. So we need to say hormone wise, we need to say the enzyme wise, we need to give the proper narration, right? So hormone wise, enzyme wise, how the things are happening, right?